This product is trending on Amazon US right now, but popularity doesn't always mean it's worth buying. The NARRAK electric tricycle promises robust freedom and stability for adults, yet a closer look at its Peak 1350W motor reveals a common industry spec that can be misleading without understanding continuous power. Many buyers overlook this crucial detail, potentially leading to unmet expectations regarding sustained performance, particularly on long inclines or with heavy loads. Is it truly a powerhouse or just a clever marketing phrase? The NARRAK electric tricycle for adults is more than just a bike, it's a comprehensive mobility solution designed to redefine personal transport for a specific demographic. This three-wheeled electric bike, or e-trike, is crafted for adults seeking enhanced stability, comfort, and utility, especially those who find traditional two-wheelers challenging or need significant cargo capacity. Manufactured by NARRAK, this innovative trike aims to address common concerns like balance, physical exertion, and the practicality of carrying goods. With its step-through frame, fat tires, and powerful electric assist, it solves the problem of needing a reliable, easy-to-use, and fun mode of transport for daily commutes, errands, leisurely rides, or even light recreational use. It transforms mundane tasks into enjoyable outings, empowering riders with newfound independence and the confidence to explore their surroundings without limitations. It's a versatile machine that blends accessibility with modern electric bike technology, aiming to make active living accessible to a broader audience. Underneath its sturdy frame, the NARRAK boasts a powerful electric motor with a peak output of 1350 watts. While the peak designation is important to note, meaning it can deliver this power in short bursts, not continuously, this substantial wattage is crucial for its overall performance. It translates into impressive acceleration from a standstill, effortlessly tackling steep inclines, and easily handling heavier loads, whether that's the rider, groceries, or gear. This high torque capability ensures a smooth and confident riding experience, preventing the feeling of being underpowered, which is a common complaint with less capable e-trikes. For riders who navigate hilly terrains or frequently carry cargo, this motor provides the necessary muscle to make every journey feel effortless and enjoyable, significantly reducing physical strain compared to non-electric options. One of the NARRAK's most standout features is its generous fat tire design. The link in the description is an affiliate link. Use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.